told me not to
Excuse me.
tell you. Oh, sorry.
That's all right.
I got it. I got it.
Excuse me.
Maybe smaller.
Yeah, it does look smaller. You're right.
I mean, it says small on it, but I know by my hand it's
It looks like an extra small.
a little bit too small. It's just happened. Same price, probably.
Yeah. How are you? Just that, please. Thank you. Have a good one.